Hi, my name is Jennifer Veitch. I'm an environmental psychologist and a principal research officer at the National Research Council of Canada. It's easy to take the built environment for granted. After all, it's around us every day. I study the effects of those conditions, air quality, lighting, ventilation, temperature, sound, on our health, our well-being, and any task that we might want to do. And I work with others to find out how those choices that we make in our environments affect our building energy use. We put all this information together in codes and standards and guidelines so that our buildings are both energy efficient and also good for the people who are in them. This benefits Canadians, but it can also benefit people around the world. I've been inspired to do this by the great undergraduate and graduate school professors I had, and also by my wonderful multidisciplinary colleagues, the technical staff at the NRC, engineers, physicists, architects, lighting designers, people from around the world that I work with in committees and also as research collaborators.